Welcome back to Forge College. In our last lesson, we built an undo button for smart contract deployments, a way to roll back mistakes. But up until now, triggering that launch and keeping track of all the steps has been entirely manual. Relying on a human to type out a 100-step deployment command sequence in Web3 is like trying to memorize a dictionary while riding a roller coaster. Eventually, you will skip a step, mistype a command, or accidentally push the wrong code. The fix for this is an automated launch computer. Developers call this a continuous integration, or CI, system. It is a tireless robot that executes your exact instructions flawlessly, every single time. As the blueprint here shows, today we are assembling a deployment pipeline for CI. We are going to package all of those complex deployment instructions into a neat bundle, so the automated system can read them. By handing our commands over to a CI system, we take the frantic guessing game out of the launch process and turn it into predictable, repeatable science. A CI system needs a perfectly organized box of instructions, the pipeline bundle. First, the orchestrators, an orange deploy script to trigger the launch, and a rollback script to abort. Next, environment files, a star map dictating coordinates for a staging simulator or mainnet. Rule: never write actual passwords in your files. If you hard-code a literal secret key, anyone scanning your code can swoop in and steal it. Always use secret references. Think of them as digital placeholders instead. When you combine standard orchestrator scripts with flexible environment maps, your robot knows exactly how to launch and where to go, without a human typing a single key. Now let's look at this automated clipboard. This is component 3, pre-deploy hooks. Before ignition, this script runs a pre-flight checklist. It rapidly checks that code compiles, squashes known bugs, and runs test simulations. If any part of that checklist fails, the system enforces a strict policy. It simply refuses to launch the rocket. But what if a problem happens after liftoff? Enter component 4, the rollback orchestrator. Right before deployment, it takes a detailed snapshot of the rocket's configuration. If the launch stalls mid-flight, it reads that snapshot and winches everything back to the previous safe state. The pre-deploy hooks act as a shield to stop bad launches from starting, while the rollback orchestrator provides a fail-safe net to catch unpredictable errors on the blockchain. Before we hand this complete pipeline bundle over to an online CI provider, we have to run a local test drive to make sure our robot actually understands the instructions. Step 1 is a successful staging run. As we see here, we watch the robot check the hooks, read the staging environment, push deploy, and successfully send the rocket into orbit. Step 2 is a simulated failure. We intentionally force a massive error right in the middle of deployment to see if our emergency systems kick in. The script spits out an error code. The robot detects the failure, instantly slams the rollback button, and uses our snapshot to pull the rocket safely back to the launch pad. This highlights a crucial rule. The robot needs a simple signal. It cannot read a pop-up warning or click OK on a screen. Every script you write must use a digital pass or fail signal, so the computer knows exactly when to keep going or when to stop. By organizing our commands into a predictable, automated bundle, we remove human error entirely, making the handoff to our CI system completely friction-free. This video was made by Forge College. To learn more about seamless deployments, Web3, and how to master smart contracts, visit forge.college.